It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. Young Police Channel from Jamaica. Big up, Rastafari. Everton Blender said that.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so as we continue this expose, telling you about the life of Usain Bolt. This is part 4 of the 4-part series, and as we stated before, those of you who haven't, subscribed to the Jamaica Young Police Channel Patreon squad, that it's the Patreon that really makes so many things, happening on the channel. Why you guys get so many videos? Yes, because of their support of the Patreon squad, and that's why we invite you guys, if you want to Patreon the rights ahead of the pack. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. So hope you're enjoying the series. So this is part 4 of the 4-part series of Usain Bolt's life. Yes, and most of you, this is the first time you're going to know that he was arrested. Not charged, arrested. Everywhere you go, you always have stupid police. You have to just understand that. So, you watch, you listen, and you decide. 8-0 and 19.75 seconds to rank 1st and 2nd in the sprints. Doping in athletics was a prime topic before the 2016 Olympics, given the banning of the Russian track and field team for state doping. Bolt commented that he had no problem with doping control. I have no issue with being drug tested. I remember in Beijing, every other day they were drug testing us. He also highlighted, is this like of rival Tyson Gay? Yeah. He also highlighted, is this like of rival Tyson Gay? Reduced ban for a corporation, given their close rivalry since the start of Bolt's career, saying, it bother me. I want to be among the great Muhammad Ali and Pele, Usain, and his sporting legacy before his final Olympic, August 9th, 2016. At the 2016 Rio Olympics, Bolt won the 100-meter gold medal with a time of 9.8 seconds. With this win, Bolt became the first athlete to win the event 3 times at the Olympic Games. Bolt followed his 100-meter win with a gold medal in the 200-meter, which makes him first athlete to win the 200-meter 3 times at the Olympics Games. Bolt ran the anchor leg for the final of the 4x100 meter relay and secured his 3rd consecutive and last Olympic gold medal in the event. With that win, Bolt obtained the triple sprinting gold medal in 3 consecutive Olympics and finished his Olympic career with 100% win record in finals. However, in January 2017, Bolt was stripped of the 4x100 relay gold from Beijing Games in 2008 by Nesta Carter because teammate Nesta Carter was found guilty of doping violation. Boy, I tell you, y'all is some corals now for just mash up the man thing, man. So Bolt, after in 2017, after injuring his hamstring in a 2017, in a 4x100 meter relay final at the 2017 World Athletics Championships, Bolt took a financial stake in a new Australian-based track and field meeting series, Nitro Athletics. He performed at the inaugural event in February 2017 and led his team Bolt All-Stars to victory. The competition featured variation of traditional track and field event. He committed himself to 3 further editions. In 2017, the Jamaican team was stripped of the 2008 Olympic 4x4 meter title due to Nesta Carter disqualification for doping offense. Bolt, who never failed a dope test, was quoted by BBC saying that the prospect of having to return the gold medal was heartbreaking. The banned substance in Carter's test was identified as metazamine, a nasal decongestant sometimes used in dietary supplement. At the 2017 World Athletics Championship, Bolt won his heat uncomfortably after a slow start in 10.07 seconds. In his semi-final, he improved to 9.98 but was beaten by Christian Coleman by 0.01 seconds. The race broke Bolt's 4-year winning streak in the 100 meter. In his final 100 meter race, Bolt won bronze medal in 9.95 seconds, 0.01 behind silver medalist Coleman and 0.03 behind world champion Justin Gatlin. It was the first time Bolt had been beaten at a major championship since the 4x4 meter relay of the 2007 World Athletics Championship. Also at the 2017 World Athletics Championship, Bolt was the anchor runner for Jamaica 4x100 meter relay team in both the heats and final. Jamaica won their heat uncomfortably in 37.95 seconds. In what was intended to be his final race, Bolt pulled up in agony with 50 meters to go and collapsed to the track. Yeah, that was not akka, the man tough, you know. Yeah. After later confirming to be another hamstring injury, he refused a wheelchair and crossed the finish line one last time with the assistance of his teammate Omar McLeod, Julian Fort and Ewan Blake. Following his 2017 season, Bolt had a statue of him unveiled in honor at the National Stadium in Kingston on December 3rd, 2017. The statue showed him in the signature lightning bolt pose and one up there with Bob Marley, you know. So Bolt, with the IAAF Men Athletics of the Year award in Monaco, Bolt loved dancing and his character is frequently described as laid back and relaxed. His Jamaican track and field idols include Herb McKinley and former Jamaican 100 and 200 meter world record holder Dan Quarry, Michael Jackson, the former 200 meter world and Olympic record holder, is also held in high esteem by Bolt. Bolt was nicknamed Lightning Bolt due to his name, Speed. He's a Catholic and he's known for making sign of the cross before racing competitively, and he wears a miraculous medal during his races. His middle name is St. Leo. In 2010, Bolt also revealed his fondness of music when he play a reggae DJ set to a crowd in Paris. He's also an avid fan of the Call of Duty video game series, saying, "I stay up late playing the game online. I can't help it." Waxwork of Bolt in his lightning bolt pose at Madame Tussauds, London. In his autobiography, Bolt wrote that he had scoliosis, a spine curvature that made his right leg half-inch, 13 millimeters shorter than his left. This condition causes an uneven stride, with his leg remaining on the ground for longer than his right and hitting the ground with less force. Biomechanics researchers have studied, with no firm conclusion, whether this asymmetry has helped or hurt Bolt in his sprinting career. He popularized the lightning bolt pose, also known as to the world or bolting, which he used both before races and in celebration. The pose consists of extending a slightly raised left arm to the side and the right arm fold across the chest, with both hands having the thumb and index finger outstretched. His pose performance during his Olympic and World Championship victories led to widespread copying of move from American President Obama to small children. It has been suggested that the pose come from Jamaican dancehall moves of the period, though Olympic sprint champion Bernard Williams also performed similar celebration move earlier that decade. The media noted that his habit of fist bumping the volunteers for good luck. In 2012, Bolt told BBC that his love for video games such as Mario Kart and Mortal Kombat helped him during Olympic career. On January 19, 2023, Bolt had fallen victim to fraud scheme, resulting in the disappearance of more than $12 million from his retirement saving account, according to a letter from his attorneys obtained by the Associated Press. So guess what now? I tell you now, you see woman thief named Pantan. Pantan, them a PMP, Fear Father, was appointed as chaplain by PJ Patterson. PMP no appoint people unless they're a criminal. So you see she a thief, but guess what? I know she alone thief who saying about money. A PMP thief in money, But guess what? Them good, them start saying, the Prime Minister and them think that all of them think they are madness and lie. You understand? So a PMP thief bought money. Pantan, she a PMP, cause a whole PMP. So me I tell you, I just saw it go. So the account with the Kingston-based investment firm Stock and Securities Limited showed a balance of only $12,000, down from a previous $12.8 million. So them the track and where the man money gone. You understand? So both legal team had stated that if the allegations were true, severe fraud or theft have been committed against their client. On May 17, 2022, both long-time girlfriend Cassie Bennett gave birth to their first child, daughter Olympia Lightning. Bolt and Bennett then welcomed twin boys Thunder and St. Leo in June in 2021. So moving forward, so cricket was the first sport of interest. Bolt said if he were not a sprinter, he would be a fast bowler. Instead, as a child, he admired Wakar Yunis bowling. He also a fan of Indian batsman Sachin Tendulkar, West Indian opening Chris Gayle, Chris Gayle, I'm best friend. As I see, we put him Chris Gayle up there and him thing there. And Australian opener Matthew Hayden doing a charity cricket match, clean ball Gayle, who was complimentary of both pace and swing. Bolt also struck a 6 Chris Gayle bowling. What? I say, it's whatever Fred still doing, Another bowler complimentary both pace, former West Indian fast bowler Courtly Ambrose. Hey, ugly man, I saw him call him, Courtly Ambrose. After talking with Australian cricketer Shane Warne, Bolt suggested that he would be interested in playing in the cricket Big Bash League if he could get time off. Melbourne Stars Chief Executive Clint Cooper said there were free spots on his team should he be available. Both stated that he enjoyed the 2020 version of the game, admiring the aggressive and constant nature of the batting and his ability. He said, I don't know how good I am. I will probably have to get a lot of practice in. Bolt is also a fan of Premier League football team Manchester United and Dutch striker Rod van Nistelrooy. He was a special guest of Manchester United at the 2011 UEFA Champions League final in London and stated that he would like to play for them after his retirement. In 2013, Bolt played basketball in NBA All-Star Weekend Celebrity Game. He scored 2 points from a slam dunk, but acknowledged that his other basketball skills were lacking. And so they must use that to promote the game. I tell you, man. So in an interview with Decca Aikenhead of The Guardian in November 2016, Bolt said he wished to play as a professional footballer after retiring from track and field. He reiterated his desire to play for Manchester United if given the chance and added, for me, if I could get a play for Manchester United, that would be like a dream come true. Yes, that would be epic. In 2018, after training with Norwich Geo and signed Stromsgaard set, Bolt played for the club as a forward in a friendly match against Norway national under-19 team. He wore the number 9.85 in allusion to his 100-meter world record. Bolt wore the same number while captaining the World 11 Soccer Aid 2018 at Old Trafford. On August 21st, that time day and birthday, 2018, of his 32nd birthday, Bolt started traded with Australian club Central Coast Mariners of the A-League. He made his friendly debut for the club as a substitute on August 31st, 2018, against a Central Coast select team made up of players playing in local area. On October 12th, he started in a friendly against amateur club Macarthur South. West United, he scored 2 goals in the second half, with his goal celebration featuring his signature to the world pose. Bolt was offered a 2-year contract from Maltese club Valletta, which he turned down on October 18, 2018. On October 24th, Bolt was offered a contract by Marina. The Australia FA was helping the Marina to fund it. Later that month, Perth Glory forward Andy Kyogo was critical of Bolt's abilities, stating that his first touch is like a trampoline. He added that Bolt has shown a bit of potential, but it's a little bit of a kick in the teeth to the professionals in the league. After 8 weeks in the court, Bolt left Marina in early November 2018. In January 2019, Bolt decided not to pursue a football career, saying his sport life is over. Bolt, a Green Bay Packers fan, stated in July 2021 that he could have considered a career as wide receiver in the National Football League had the rules on violent tackle related to concussion being tightly regulated back in the days as they were by that stage. If he had switched to the gridiron football, his concern was that he would have been a high-price target for FT8, which made him back out of the desire to try the sport. I remember, man, got them thing that dangerous, So he felt confident that even at 34 and being retired, he would comfortably be the fastest player in the league. A documentary film based on the athletic life of Bolt, who won 3 Olympic gold medals titled I Am Bolt, was released November 28, 2016 in the United Kingdom. Benjamin Turner and Gabe Turner directed the film. Sponsorship and advertisement work. Bolt, his sponsor is Puma. So after the winning the 200 meter title in 2002 World Junior Championship in Kingston, Bolt signed a sponsorship deal with Puma to promote Bolt's chase for Olympic glory in the 2008 Summer Olympics in Beijing, China. Puma released a series of videos including Bolt's then world record setting in Icon Stadium and his Olympic preparation after his record-breaking run in New York City, which was preceded by a lightning storm. The press frequently made puns on the Jamaican name, nicknaming him Lightning Bolt and the Bolt from the Blue. During the 2008 Beijing 100 meter final, Bolt wore golden Puma complete thesis spikes that had Beijing 100 meter goal emblazoned across them. Writing of Bolt performance at the Olympics, the Associated Press said, almost single-handedly, Bolt has helped track transform itself from a dying sport to one with a singular smiling wide star. August 10, the Associated Press again said this, August 10, 2010, Bolt traveled to Australia where his sponsor Gatorade held an event called Gatorade Bolt to find Australia's fastest footballer. The event was held at Sydney International Athletic Centre and featured football players from Rugby League, Rugby Union, Australian Rules Football and Association Football. Before the race, Bolt gave runners some private coaching and participated in the 10th anniversary celebration of the 2000 Olympic Games. In January 2012, Bolt impersonated Richard Branson in an advertising campaign for Virgin Media. The campaign was directed by Seth Godin and featured the Virgin founder Branson to promote its broadband service. In March 2012, Bolt stars in an advertisement for Visa for the 2012 Summer Olympics. In July 2012, Bolt and Rock Live launched Bolt's Apple iOS game based on his exploits. Bolt quickly became the #1 app in Jamaica and climbed the UK iTunes chart to reach #2 on the list of top free apps. In 2012, Bolt collaborated with headphone maker Soul Electronics to design his headphones. Bolt designed an earbud, an over-ear model with Jamaican colors, scheme, and his signature to the world. Pose. Bolt autobiography, My Story, 9.58, Beijing, the world's fastest man, was released in 2010. Bolt had previously said, the book should be exciting. It's my life and I am cool and an exciting guy. His athletics agent is Pace Sports Management. As part of his sponsorship deal with Puma, the manufacturer sends sporting equipment to his alma mater, William Nid High School, every year. At Bolt's insistence, advertisement featuring him are filmed in Jamaica by Jamaican production crew to boost local enterprise and gain exposure for the country. So we show you say Bolt a patriot. He not still like the other boss slave, the man them thing there. Because hey, man could have migrated and them thing there, you know. And you understand, but the man, him not left Jamaica, but hey, yours truly have to leave, you know. I never leave them, but kill me. So you understand, because I have more enemy than black suit. I just saw it go them thing there. How you say? The amount of people who hate me and them thing there, because just because you don't know me, I'm in the rare and the yeah, I'm in like thieving, and you understand? No, I not like thieving, I not like thief. And me believes a criminal must live in a fear of losing their life. Yeah man, not the law-abiding citizens. Yeah, so Bolt are really a patriot. So in 2017, Bolt had the third highest social media income for sponsors and sports people behind Cristiano Ronaldo and Neymar, and he was the only non-footballer in the top 7. Bolt is the highest paid athlete in the history of sports. In 2016, Bolt earned about 33 million in 1 year, putting him number 32 on Forbes' list of the world richest person in the world. Yeah. Making him the only track and field athlete. So Bolt is first ever, track and field athlete. So Usain Bolt co-founded an electric scooter company, named Bolt Mobility. You understand? Founded micro mobility company which provides electric scooter, other yet to be released mobility device such as the company's upcoming Bolt Nana. Bolt appear in Bolt Mobility debut commercial release through YouTube on his official Facebook account. Bolt appeared in several company interviews alongside CEO Sarah Pishwavar-Haynes. Bolt made his first public appearance for the company in March 2019 during the company New York City launch and in CNBC interview on the New York Stock Exchange. In May 2019, the company expanded service to Europe, introducing the product first in Paris. I have been to New York, London, Paris, and one thing I have noticed that we all complain about traffic. Usain Bolt, CNN interviewer on his e-scooter company. In May 2019, Bolt spoke in Paris at the Viva Technology Conference, introducing the company's future release of Nano minicar. He also met with French President Emmanuel Macron while at the conference. While in France, Bolt participated in a CNN interview where he revealed his reasons for the founding the company. Bolt argued that his scooter is different, allowing for bag, shopping, and mobile phone storage, depending on cities' regulations, and scooter can reach up to 30 miles per hour, but are typically capped at 15. The company has begun operation in several US cities and plan to expand throughout Europe and Asia. In early July 2022, Bolt's Mobility abruptly ceased operation, leaving bike sharing programs in the air, including Burlington, Vermont, Portland, Oregon, Richmond, California, and Richmond, Virginia. In 2019, Bolt made his debut as a dancehall music producer with the release of Olymp Rose Rhythm, which featured 5 tracks from Jamaican dancehall artist Dexter Daps, Big Move, Munga, Honorable. Him shouldn't do nothing with a brother, because them brother they are murderer, killer, a madman. Honorable, Weekend, Christopher Martin, Dweet, Ding Dong, Tap at the Top, and football player turn artist record, Bibi Gardner, Mount a Girl. Oh, Bibi in all them things. I tell you, I just say go. Yeah, so, as we say, we wish Bolt a happy birthday. So, this is our way of showing, the Jamaican youth that there are positive role models out there. You understand? So, if you want, this is the life that you want. You want to be, doing things that you can live and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Usain Bolt now for walk and look behind him when he's on the street. The reason being is that Usain Bolt is not a criminal. So that's why we encourage all of the youth them say, look, this is the way that you want to live. You don't have to live no other way. Because a life of crime, it don't work. At the end of the day, 2 places you're going up. Prison or the departure lounge. So that's why we tell us, boy, you want to do the right thing. It's not who's right, but what is right. And we just hope that you enjoy listening to us, give you an expose about Usain Bolt and his journey from, Trelawney to the world. So have yourself a beautiful day and happy birthday again to Usain Bolt. And big up the man, Chris Gale. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out. Yeah, so we have come to the end of this expose of, Usain's Bolt life. You have heard some things that you have never heard before. I just hope you enjoy the series. You know, it's as we said that this channel, it's an educational channel, and this is one of our eras that we're celebrating to show you that you can achieve things through hard work, discipline, dedication, and you have a sense of purpose, and you have a dream, and you work towards it. As you have seen Usain Bolt, before he become this rising star, you have heard us telling you that even at one time the man he become last in a race, and some people had write him off, but that did not deter him. He was resilient in his pursuit of being a successful athlete and to dominate the world, to have been the greatest. So we have come to the end of this series. So have yourself a beautiful day, and thanks for tuning into the Jamaica Young Police channel. Jamaica Young Police channel out.